This is my BYD Seal EV, and this is my Samsung Galaxy Ultra phone. I have a digital car key in my Samsung phone, so I can use my phone as my car key to unlock my BYD Seal. And no, this is different from using the BYD mobile app on my phone to remotely unlock the car over mobile internet. I can still lock and unlock the car even when the car is not connected to the internet because it uses NFC on the side mirror. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. So recently I realized on the BYD Seal app there is an option to add a digital key. The installation process is pretty straightforward. Let me show you. So first we have to accept the service agreement, and then we can press the Add Now button to add the key. My phone is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I suspect the BYD Digital Key only works with Samsung Wallet and iPhone. If you are using another brand's Android phone, you may not have this option. Let me know which Android phone brand are you using and if you have the option to add this digital key. So after I press Start, it takes about 15 seconds before this screen appears. And then I'm told to put the phone on the phone tray. Now just to confirm, I have my car key with me here and I haven't started my BYD Seal yet. Let's see what happens when I place the phone on the car's NFC reader. It says it's pairing now and don't leave this screen. And then digital key added to Samsung Wallet. That's cool. Tap the NFC icon on the driver's side mirror for locking and unlocking. So it seems like I've successfully added a new digital key card to my Samsung Wallet. I quite like the design of this digital card. Let's test it out. And that's it, I can lock and unlock by tapping my phone on the side mirror. Note that I don't even need to unlock the phone before I tap on the side mirror. Now, if you hadn't noticed, the BYD Digital Key card is stored in the Samsung Wallet app. And it appears Samsung Wallet Digital Car Keys only works with BMW, Mini and BYD. I've been using the Samsung Wallet for many years now. As you can see, I use it to store my loyalty cards, my credit cards to make payments, and now I have added a digital car key. It's good to know that the BYD Digital Car Key is not stored in the BYD app on my phone, and it's stored inside the Samsung Wallet, which is protected by Samsung Knox. So what's the difference? Samsung Knox is Samsung's security system where it stores sensitive data such as our fingerprint, credit card and digital keys in a separate computer area known as the secure environment, so that normal applications and malware on our phone have no access to this area, which means it's pretty secure. So now on my Samsung Wallet app, I have my credit card, my BYD Digital Key card, and my prepaid gift card. To use any one of these cards, all I have to do is to tap and scan my fingerprint to authenticate, and then I can use that card. As with the BYD Digital Key card, we have the option to choose. If we set requires authentication, we need to scan our fingerprint before we can use the digital key to unlock the car. So in case someone stole our phone, they still can't unlock our BYD Seal and steal our car. Turning this option off, it simply says, place the phone on the car NFC reader, which means anybody who has our phone will be able to unlock our car easily. So it's always security versus convenience, isn't it? Which one will you choose? Will you use your fingerprint or just tap the phone to unlock the car for convenience? Let me know in the comments down below. Moving on, we can also share this digital key with someone who has a Samsung phone with Samsung Wallet. We can send the key via a text message, and the recipient can open the key in their Samsung Wallet, which makes sense because digital keys should only be stored in the digital wallet. We will also need to share a passcode to our recipient to activate the digital key. This is an added layer of security, which is a very well thought out design. And when we are done sharing to the other person, we can also cancel the key. If you find this video useful so far, please like this video so it can spread and be useful for more BYD owners. Thanks. What happens if one day I were to lose my phone which contains the digital key? How do I remove the digital key from my phone if I no longer have my phone? No worries, BYD has thought of that. We can go into our BYD Seal's car settings and remove the digital key. There is also another option for me to swap my phone in case I buy a new phone and replace the existing one. Samsung also allows us to remotely lock or erase all our Samsung Wallet information if we happen to lose our Samsung phone one day. Support my work by using my Amazon affiliate link to buy any products on Amazon. I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This is a playlist of all my BYD Seals video. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next video.